Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. In this video, I will explain and demonstrate the system that I have developed for CSEB5123 final project. We were tasked with developing a system for Unit 10 R&D Sendirian Berhad, and we were given a business requirement, and from that business requirement we have to produce a relevant analysis document, and the one that I've come up with is this use case diagram. After I've read the business requirement, I can conclude that there is going to be at least two types of user. The first one is project manager and the second one is the project leader. And basically what project manager is going to do is they will be the one to create the project and assign a project leader for that project. And afterwards they will be monitoring the project and they can update the project stage, update the project status. Whereas for project leader, they will be the one to update the project details such as start and end date, the cost of the project, client name, and the team members for that project. And the system that I developed is based on this use case diagram. So without further ado, let me demonstrate how the system works. Okay, this is the homepage for the system. Welcome to Research and Consultancy Project Management System, or for short is R&CPms. Okay, right now in the database I have created several user accounts, but because I want to demonstrate, I will register a new user. Okay, let's say the name is Ali, simple name, and the email ali@unit10.edu.my. Okay, right now we are logged in as Ali. We have registered and logged in as Ali. Okay, now let's see the projects. Stated here is the list of projects that are in the database right now. But we can see that Ali cannot update the details, show details, add members, and show members because Ali right now is not a project leader. To be a project leader, a project manager must choose Ali must assign Ali to be a project leader for a project. So now let's log in as a project manager and make Ali as the project leader. So first thing, log out and log in as a manager. The email for manager is majima@gmail.com. Password is mmm. Welcome to project manager's homepage. Okay, now let's create a project and make Ali as the project leader. In this box here, it shows us who are eligible to be a project leader. And you can see that only Majima is not eligible because Majima is the project manager. So anyway, let's make Ali as the project leader and name the project. For example, Agent Collaboration Framework, and create. And this over here, we can see the list of projects. And we can also see the project stage, currently inception, and the project status, currently on track. And now Ali is the project leader. And of course, we can update this project stage and project status because the project is going to progress, right? For example, we change it to milestone 1 and extended. And you can see that the project stage has changed to milestone 1 and the project status is extended. Okay, now that Ali is a project leader, let's go back, log in as Ali and see what if there's any different. Okay, log in as Ali. Okay, see the projects, and right now we can see that the new project that we just created just now has been listed here. For project ID 27, the project leader is Ali. And Ali can update the details, show details, add members, and show members. Right now, let's see the project details. Okay, the project details here includes start date, end date, duration in month, cost in RM, and client. Okay, just now when the project manager created the project, this value is the default value. So Ali as a project leader must update the project details. So let's update. For example, the start date is 21 today, yesterday. Yeah, it's today. And let's say the end date for this project is yeah, just put it, yeah, and then the cost 100,000. 100,000, yes. And the client name, for example, company X, and update. Okay, now we can see that start date, the project details, everything has been updated. And if you realize just now, we cannot input the duration because it will be auto calculated based on the start and end date. And right now, the cost, you can see the client company X. Okay, and now the next thing we are going to see is the show members. For project ID 27, who is the team members? Who is under Ali? Let's see. Click here. Oh, no team member has been assigned yet, meaning that in the database, not in the database, for this project ID, there's no team members yet. So what we have to do is we have to add team members first. We have to assign team members first. So over in this column, right, click here for project ID 27. Okay, project ID, we paste it here. The member name, for example, put Ramona, my advisor. Is it a unit? Is she a Uniten staff? Says yes. And we will be redirect back to the show members page. You can see that for project ID 27, the team members is Ramona. Uniten staff, yes. And we can also add another one if you want. Say the member name is Pan Back, and he's not a Uniten staff. And we can say that for project ID 27, which is under Ali, these are the team members. And we of course we can update. For example, we want to change punching bag to a Uniten staff. Who knows, right? Okay, you can see that he's now a Uniten staff, and we can also delete. We can remove the team members from the project. And yeah, I think that's it. That's the end of my system demo. And I would like to say thank you to my lecturer, Dr. Sufyan, and have a nice day.